Good evening po, Sir Joseph. Ako po pala mag-interview sa inyo.
Okay.
So, probably around 20 questions po ito from Reddit and po.
Okay.
Let's start na lang po sa first question. What keeps you going sa pagiging isang journalist?
Kasi hindi siya trabaho. Parang ano siya, sa amin medyo mas okay na isipin na there's a sense of purpose when you do it, so you don't stop. Diba? Parang, I always go back to, doon nalagay ko rin sa Reddit na, yung isang case study namin sa Abra, na bata na may sakit, and namatay siya after yung parang ilang bata yung meron sa Pilipinas who needs to be, for as long as there are kids like that, dapat na doing our job properly.
Okay po. So, sa dami po ng negative news po, paano ka nag-decompress every night pagtapos mo magtrabaho?
Netflix, pag weekend, pwede ba yun? Yeah, I mean, we're normal people, we like doing things na ginagawa rin naman ng mga... And you hang out with your friends, sometimes you listen to music. And sometimes you're too tired, you just, tulog lang.
Okay po. So what event cemented your motivation to pursue this career?
Yun. And yun tuwing ginagawa tayo for election years, yung mga pag-election year, yung mga tourist provinces, yung mga underserved ng mga communities. Kasi what they have to realize, yung mga government leaders, pag yung mga tao sa mga far-flung areas na halos wala nang maisip kung paano sila magbuhay. Kapag talaga sa gobyerno yan. Pero huwag ka naman maging selfish na isipin mo naman yung mga yun. Diba? Kaya nga ikaw at isita ng sarili mo to serve. So, ang gawain namin is tingnan namin kung ginagawa mo yung sinabi mo gagawin. Ganun yung simple. So, kumbaga kung may mga no-offend na officials, ba't ganun ka-critical yung media na parang hindi naman po kami nagsabi sa inyo. Pag politiko kayo, diba? You present it. Ang gusto lang namin malaman is, are you being true to what you said you're going to do?
So paano ka po binago ng trabaho niyo?
Grabe naman tong binago! Actually, I never changed. Binago na hindi overtime kasi you meet people, you interact with people. So, if you have a value system, sometimes nag-tweak ka ng konti. And if you have a set of opinions, sometimes they change. Diba? And as you grow older, ganun din. Naiiba yung perspective mo. So, I think it's gradual. But hopefully, it's for the better. In the sense na, ang ina-absorb ko ay yung medyo matipin mo naman na point of view. Diba?
So ano po ang inyong non-negotiables sa isang relationship?
Honestly. I mean, I'm an adult. You can tell me everything. Be able to hopefully understand. Di ba? Kasi parang, kasi naman maghuhulaan. Tama na yung, tantanan na yung hula-hula. I'd rather na lay it out on the table. And then ang hirap lang nagtatago. Kasi parang, sa akin, ito like. Kasi parang,
But sir, do you like honesty?
I do in all aspects. Kasi parang, di ba, adult ka eh. I mean, you can be frank with me. Di ba, parang, at least, klaro yung where we stand. Hindi yung sabihin mo to, tapos, even sa, ako, mas gusto ko yung mga candid na mga officials eh. Di ba? Parang yung mga wala pang filter.
Okay.
So nagkaroon na po ba kayo ng crush na reporter din?
Anong channel?
Yes or no lang naman, sir. Paano po nawala yung pagkaka-crush mo sa kanya?
Hindi ko na nakikita sa beat. Or you move on to the next. Libangan lang naman yung mga yun. Sometimes
Okay po. So how do you deal with a broken heart?
Drink. As in.
Kasi sige, sir.
Wala. I mean, di ba, pag-uwi mo, mga another 8 hours sa tulog, okay. But, sa mga youngsters, you survive these things. Kasi yung iba, di ba, parang first heartbreak, tapos parang akala nila, take it from somebody who's old. You will survive these things and you will be better.
Okay po. So, define your relationship status in 3 words.
Status? Tired. Hindi, tired. Lonely. Char!
Pasko pa man din.
Ay, naku. Ano yan? Ilang araw lang yun.
Okay po. So, ano pong special talent mo? Yung talent na makaka-receive ng 5,000 pesos sa Christmas party.
Ay, I can sing, ha? Bakit magbibigay ka ba?
Okay po. So, moving along po with the holiday questions po. What do you love and hate about the holidays?
It is that you don't have enough time. Bitin lagi siya. Diba? Na parang, especially with our work, talagang ipaplanuhin mo pa siya kung kailan makauwi, ilang araw ka sa probinsya, na parang I wish I have more time. What I like is the festivities, especially with the kids. Na parang ako na yung Santa Claus.
So, another question po. Na-ambush interview mo si Santa Claus. Anong itatanong mo sa kanya?
Bakit ka unfair? Magaganda yung regalo ng pinsan ko. And, do you ever tire of giving?
Okay po.
And who gives you gifts?
So, so moving on to personal questions. What's your favorite tattoo? And what's the story behind it?
Tattoo. May I have wings here? Kasi traffic, di ba? Hindi, joke. Yung... parang medyo late na ako sa coverage. No, but that tattoo, pwede ka na show it ba? Hindi na naman show it. Somewhere. Yan. Tapos meron niyang Be Not Afraid. This was in 2016 na nagkaroon ng emergency yung mommy ko. Really bad emergency. And then, she was going to be operated on. Tapos, I went to the chapel of this hospital. And the first phrase that came into my mind, Be Not Afraid. So, sabi ko, I have to remember that phrase. And then wings, because, you know, if you learn to trust, parang light siya. And you just have to like submit. Yung submission, mahirap sa reporter yun kasi parang we need to control things, ganyan. But as you grow older and in life, I think one of the more important lessons that you can learn is to submit. Yung parang, Lord, bala ka na. It makes life easier lang.
Okay po. So, create a Spotify playlist po para sa mga netizens. What are the first 3 songs they'll hear?
Make me sweat. Water. I like this song. Water. And then, alam mo yung Halo ni Beyonce? And then, there's one more. Gusto ko yung kay, Chris Brown yung Crawl. I always keep that on repeat. Yung Crawl kasi parang you regret stuff. Schizophrenic, di ba?
So, what message will you tell a 10-year-old Joseph Moron?
Wow, RuPaul Drag Race. Asan yung picture ko doon? Na you are blessed. Na it's going to be very difficult growing up. Pero somehow meron kang guidance na you'll always get what you want. Spoiled. Hindi, na parang hindi, you're blessed na for as long as you have a parang good intention in your heart, siya, may gabay lagi. Parang nagbibiruan kami sa office, parang malakas akong manalangin. So I think I wanna believe that na, yeah. And maybe there's a purpose for it.
Okay po.